Good afternoon, long time no speak. Been playing around with cars as per normal, but things have changed. We've had another new car, still got the Wolseley. This thing's appeared, which I've been repairing, and I'm now just about to pull out some dents. I don't really see that in the camera, but there is a dent there. So purchased a dent puller kit, which consists of these little things. Focus. These little things that basically you put hot glue on the end of. That's why it's a hot glue gun. And then attach this contraption, which you then just squeeze, and in theory it pulls the dent up. So I'm going to have a play and then see what happens to that dent. Hopefully it doesn't melt paint or anything stupid, but we'll see. So I'm going to put it on the tripod in the background and have a play and then see what happens. See if I have another dent or I don't know what, but I can't see hot glue sticking, to be honest, but we'll see. Anyway, onwards and upwards. Right, okay, so the hot glue is warmed up. Let's put some hot glue onto the applicator. Sticking the glue onto the metal. So, yeah. Okay. So it now says to wait 10 minutes, or between 8 and 10 minutes. So I'm going to pause it there and then start it again in a second. See you in a minute. Well, it's not quite been 8 minutes like it says in the instructions, but it's starting to rain, so I'm going to fit this contraption, do it up, so we're there, and then pull. Okay. Do you know what? I think that almost worked. Is that any better, do you think? I'm quite surprised how much that stuck. I'm going to get a smaller one and attach that. I think the stud was a bit too big. Let's try and find a small stud. Yep, attach another one. Back in a moment.
So is that hot glue?
So that's hot glue, yeah. So I'll just let it go for about, I don't know, 5 minutes like it says. So if we attach the contraption. It's a bit tight.
Is it around the bottom or is it sort of midway?
What do you mean?
Where do you touch it?
It's a bit tight, that. Just attach it to the. I've attached it to the middle of the dent.
Oh, okay, right.
Right. So,
And then the pads go against the door.
So then I'll just do that up so it's tight, and then watch.
Still there. Is that because it went long enough? That was like 45 seconds.
I think it's because I haven't got one of those that's small enough for that dent.
Huh.
But that dent was big. I'm sure when we look at the video footage in a minute, that dent was bigger.
So you're convinced it works
I'm
then?
convinced it works, yeah.
What you need to do is draw like a circle around it like you do with like a leaf ceiling.
Yeah.
And then see if that works.
Yeah.
You can use my iron-on pencils if you know, pens if you want. So when it's a hot day, the ink can just disappear.
So I need it to be able to go.
Is there not another one you can test it on that's slightly bigger? I know there's not many dinks in it,
I'm going to pause the video. So I'm now getting overexcited and going around all the other little dents that I can find, because I think it's working. Now I can't see that dent. Where's it gone? That dent is tiny. Still can't see it. There it is. Okay. I think this nearest one's good to go. I don't know whether to attack it quickly or attack it slowly. There's no instructions with this, so we'll try the quick method. Oh, yes. That seemed to have stuck quite well. I think it is removing. I'll check the footage afterwards, but I think it is slowly pulling that dent out. I'll attack it one more time, but it seems to work by leaving the glue on there longer. I'll do that one. Excuse me. So we'll attack this one. So we'll put on last, and first even. So that one. Don't think that did a fat lot. I think I've got too much glue on such a small dent. Let's try that. I end up with bloody hot glue stuck to my card. Let's see. Let's try the middle one there. That was hardly stuck. That's weird. Did it pull it out? Well, guess what? Can't see the dent anymore. That's worked. What's this one doing? That one's stuck. Oh. Let's try that one again. Right. Okay, so that's the left the glue one. So that it was a good connection. There we go. I think that's better. I'm going to stop this video in here, but I'm going to check the footage. But I think it is actually removing the dent. So I'm pretty chuffed with that. Anyway. For less than £10, that's pretty damn good. Right, thanks for watching guys. Cheers.